Hello everyone, this is Mostafa Ramadan and here us Speak Native. Today we're going to talk about when do we use to and when do we use for. First, we use to when we are talking about destination. I'm going to Germany at the end of April, or I'm going to a restaurant tonight. Second, when we are talking about time, but this is mainly used in British English. It's a quarter to 2, which means it's 1:45. And also there's a second case when we use to with time. The restaurant is open from Monday to Friday. Third, when we compare something, I prefer travel to sitting at home. I prefer working to sleeping. The next type of use is more talking about a receiver of an action. I give my book to my follower. I sent a letter to my friend. I wrote an email to my colleague. Last but not least, when you want to express a reason for your action. For example, I came here to see you. I did it to make more money. I've started learning English to get a job promotion. Now, let's move on to talk about for. When we talk about benefits, we use for. For example, I bought a gift for my friend. I stopped eating gluten for the benefit of my health. For also indicates periods of time. I've been living in the US for 4 years. I've been learning English for several months now. Also, when we talk about schedule, we use for. I made an appointment with my doctor for March 13th. Your flight is scheduled for May 31st. We also use for to express a reason. He was fired from job for being constantly late. She has been promoted for her good English. Also, we use for to express purpose of something. You watch my videos for improving your English. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Speak native. When you speak, speak native.